Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Syntax LK, your source for the latest tech trends and insights. In our previous videos, we've explored a wide range of fascinating topics, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and quantum computing. Today, we're diving into the captivating field of big data analytics. Get ready to uncover the power of data. Introduction to Big Data Analytics. Big data analytics is revolutionizing the way organizations derive insights and make informed decisions. In this segment, we'll provide an in-depth introduction to big data analytics and its significance in today's data-driven world. 1. Discuss the concept of big data and the challenges associated with handling and analyzing large volumes of data. 2. Explore the importance of big data analytics in extracting valuable insights, driving innovation, and improving business performance. 3. Showcase real-world examples of organizations leveraging big data analytics to gain a competitive advantage. Big data technologies and tools. To unlock the potential of big data, powerful technologies and tools are required. In this segment, we'll delve into the various technologies and tools used in big data analytics. 1. Discuss popular big data technologies, such as Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and NoSQL databases. 2. Explore data storage and processing frameworks like HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, and MapReduce. 3. Highlight visualization and analysis tools, such as Tableau, Power BI, and Apache Zeppelin. Data collection and preprocessing. High-quality data is the foundation of effective big data analytics. In this segment, we'll explore the process of data collection and preprocessing to ensure data accuracy and relevance. 1. Discuss different data collection methods, including batch processing, real-time streaming, and web scraping. 2. Explore data preprocessing techniques, such as data cleaning, data transformation, and data integration. 3. Showcase practical examples of data preprocessing using programming languages like Python or tools like Apache Kafka. Big data analysis and machine learning. Big data analytics is not just about storing and processing data, it's about gaining actionable insights. In this segment, we'll explore how machine learning techniques can be applied to analyze big data. 1. Discuss the role of machine learning algorithms in big data analytics, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 2. Highlight popular machine learning algorithms used in big data analytics, such as clustering, classification, and regression. 3. Showcase practical examples of applying machine learning algorithms to big data using libraries like scikit-learn or Spark MLLIB. Data visualization and storytelling. Visualizing data is crucial to effectively communicate insights and tell compelling stories. In this final segment, we'll explore the art of data visualization and storytelling in big data analytics. 1. Discuss the principles of effective data visualization, including choosing the right chart types, color palettes, and interactivity. 2. Showcase data visualization tools like Tableau, Matplotlib, or D3.js. 3. Highlight the importance of storytelling in presenting data insights and making data-driven decisions. Congratulations! You've now gained a comprehensive understanding of big data analytics and its impact on organizations. Remember, data is a valuable asset, and by harnessing the power of big data analytics, we can unlock hidden opportunities and make informed decisions. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Syntax LK for more enlightening content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.